What's up, everybody? It's Stoyan, and today we're diving deep into the world of business, but not just any business. We're talking about machines that can make you serious cash. Forget the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech enthusiast, or just someone looking to be their own boss, this video is your golden ticket. But before we jump in, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and smash that notification bell so you never miss out on these game-changing tips. Now, let's get down to business. First up, we've got the 3D printer, the ultimate tool for turning your wildest ideas into tangible products. This bad boy lets you create prototypes, custom designs, and even finished goods, all from the comfort of your own home. Think about it. You can print anything from phone cases and jewelry to toys and even small furniture. The possibilities are truly endless. Plus, with the rising demand for personalized and unique items, 3D printing opens up a world of opportunity for entrepreneurs like you. And the best part? 3D printers are becoming increasingly affordable, making them accessible to even the most budget-conscious entrepreneur. Trust me, this is one investment that can pay dividends for years to come. So don't let that deter you from exploring the incredible world of 3D printing. Next up, we're shining a light on laser cutters, the precision instruments that can slice through materials like butter. We're talking wood, acrylic, leather, and even fabric. Imagine creating intricate designs, custom engravings, and even complex parts with incredible accuracy. Laser cutters are like the Swiss Army knives of the manufacturing world, allowing you to cater to a wide range of customer needs. From personalized gifts and promotional items to signage and even architectural models, the applications are virtually limitless. And with the growing popularity of Etsy and other online marketplaces, selling your laser cut creations has never been easier. Laser cutters also offer incredible precision and efficiency, allowing you to create high-quality products with minimal waste. So if you're looking for a versatile and profitable business machine, look no further than the laser cutter. Now, let's talk about the heavy hitter in the mini manufacturing world, the CNC machine. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, and these machines are basically like robots that can carve, cut, and shape materials with incredible precision. We're talking about metals, plastics, wood, and even foam. Think about it. You can create custom parts for cars, build furniture with intricate details, or even manufacture your own line of high-end toys. CNC machining opens up a whole new level of manufacturing capabilities, allowing you to take on more complex and profitable projects. And with the rise of automation and the demand for custom-made goods, CNC machining is only going to become more valuable in the years to come. Plus, there are financing options available and government grants that can help you get started. Chapter 4: Heat Press Profits. Unlocking customization. Let's turn up the heat with our next money-making machine, the heat press. This versatile tool lets you transfer designs onto a variety of materials using heat and pressure. We're talking t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, you name it, think about it. You can create personalized gifts, custom apparel for businesses and events, or even start your own online merchandise store. The heat press is all about tapping into the ever-growing demand for customization and creating products that people will love to show off. And the best part? Heat presses are relatively affordable and easy to use, making them perfect for both beginners and seasoned entrepreneurs. Plus, with a little creativity and marketing savvy, you can turn your heat press into a serious cash cow. Chapter 5: Cutting Your Way to Success, the Vinyl Cutter Advantage. Get ready to stick it to the man with our next profit-generating powerhouse, the vinyl cutter. This nifty machine allows you to create custom stickers, decals, and even signage using adhesive vinyl. Think about it, you can design and produce custom stickers for laptops, water bottles, cars. The possibilities are endless. And with the growing popularity of personalized items and brand merchandise, vinyl cutting offers a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs of all levels. Vinyl cutters can also be used to create custom stencils for etching glass, sandblasting, and even airbrushing. This opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities and allows you to cater to a wider range of customer needs. And the best part, vinyl cutters are surprisingly affordable and easy to use. So, if you're looking for a low-cost, high-profit business idea, vinyl cutting might just be your golden ticket. Chapter 6: Embroidering your path to profits, stitching up success. Get ready to stitch up some serious profits with our next money-making machine, the embroidery machine. This incredible tool allows you to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to a wide range of products. We're talking custom logos on hats, personalized monograms on towels, intricate designs on clothing. The possibilities are endless. And with the growing demand for personalized gifts and high-quality apparel, embroidery offers a lucrative opportunity for creative entrepreneurs. Embroidery also adds durability and value to products, making them more appealing to customers. And the best part? Embroidery machines have become increasingly affordable and user-friendly. With a little practice and the right software, you can be creating stunning designs in no time. Chapter 7: Button up your business, small machine, big profits. Don't underestimate the power of the button. Our next money-making machine might seem small, but it packs a serious profit punch: the button maker. This nifty tool allows you to create custom buttons for a variety of purposes, from promotional giveaways to fashion statements. Think about it. You can design and produce buttons for businesses, events, schools, or even political campaigns. And with the enduring popularity of buttons as collectibles and fashion accessories, the market for custom buttons is surprisingly vast. Button makers also allow you to tap into the growing trend of personalization. Imagine creating custom buttons with people's names, favorite quotes, or even their own artwork. And the best part? Button makers are incredibly affordable and easy to use. With a minimal investment and a little bit of practice, you can be churning out custom buttons and raking in the profits. Chapter 8: Get ready to unleash your inner fashion mogul with our next profit-generating powerhouse, the T-shirt printing machine. This versatile tool allows you to transform blank canvases into walking billboards of style and self-expression. We're talking custom designs, witty slogans, band logos, and everything in between. And with the enduring popularity of T-shirts as a fashion staple, the market for custom printed tees is vast and ever-growing. T-shirt printing machines also empower you to tap into the booming trend of personalization. Imagine creating one-of-a-kind tees for special events, family reunions, or even as unique gifts. And the best part? T-shirt printing machines have become increasingly affordable and user-friendly. With a modest investment and a little practice, you can be churning out high-quality printed tees and building a thriving apparel business from the comfort of your own home. Chapter 9: Get ready to lather up some serious profits with our next money-making machine, the soap-making machine. This nifty tool takes the guesswork out of crafting luxurious handcrafted soaps, allowing you to tap into the booming market for natural and artisanal bath and body products. Imagine creating unique blends with exotic scents, nourishing oils, and eye-catching colors. From soothing lavender bars to invigorating citrus scrubs, the possibilities for crafting unique and desirable soaps are endless. Soap making also allows you to tap into the growing consumer demand for natural, handcrafted, and eco-friendly products. And the best part? Soap making machines can significantly streamline the production process, allowing you to scale your business and meet the demands of a growing customer base. With a modest investment and a little bit of creativity, you can turn your passion for soap making into a thriving and profitable business. Chapter 10: Get ready to ignite your entrepreneurial spirit with our final money-making machine, the candle-making machine. This brilliant tool allows you to transform simple wax into captivating candles that illuminate homes and create cozy ambience. Imagine crafting unique candles with enchanting scents, vibrant colors, and elegant designs. From soothing lavender candles to invigorating citrus scents, the possibilities for creating unique and desirable candles are endless. Candle making also allows you to tap into the emotional connection people have with candles. And the best part? Candle making machines can significantly streamline the production process, allowing you to scale your business and meet the demands of a growing customer base. With a modest investment and a little bit of creativity, you can turn your passion for candle making into a thriving and profitable business. So there you have it, folks. 10 incredible machines that can help you unlock your entrepreneurial potential and start generating serious cash. Whether you're passionate about 3D printing, laser cutting, or any of the other amazing machines we've covered, there's a world of opportunity waiting for you. Remember, the key to success in any business is to find your niche, create high-quality products, and market your business effectively. Don't be afraid to experiment, get creative, and most importantly, have fun. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these machines are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips and tricks.